So now I'm going to show you how to use a rice cooker. This is the best thing we bought in the last few weeks. Save you a lot of time and save you a lot of mess and cook the rice to perfection. It also keeps it warm, so if the rice is cooked and your dinner's not ready, it'll keep it warm for you as well. I put it on a chopping board. It's not really very safe putting it on top of the cooktop, so I'll put it on so that when it actually cooks, it does let out quite a lot of steam, and I want the exhaust fan to just take out most of that steam out of the kitchen. So it's got a little hole on it that's built in, and the steam comes out there when it's cooked. So just to show you what's actually inside, this is a cup to measure the rice. One of these cups, we normally put 2 in for 4 people. It's normally half a cup per person in the house. And then what you do is you have another layer inside here, which is a steam layer. We're not going to use that. We're going to take it out. And then inside here, this is the actual tray where you put the water and the rice in. Numbers there on the left, you have up to number 2. And then we're going to put 2 scoops of rice. So we're actually going to do that now. I'm going to put the bowl back in. And all I do is measure out the rice. I'm going to do it above it here. So that's 1 full cup. And we're going to do that again. Just level it out a bit. Sometimes it can take a little bit more. And then we're going to fill it up to number 2. Coming up to 2 now. I'm just going to use all the water I have there. Now, if you put in a little bit extra water, that's fine. But what I'm going to do now is put the lid back on. And then when we're ready to cook, we just hit start. And then it keeps it warm. You can leave it at that for a few minutes if you need. And then when you know, this one takes about 10 to 12 minutes to cook the rice. And when you know dinner's nearly ready, then you just click that button down and it engages the cooking process. So the light comes on, and then when it's ready, it'll turn itself off and just keep everything warm. Now they also come with a spoon. It's really important you don't lose these because this stops the inner bowl from getting scratched. So this is really handy as well for serving the rice. Comes with this one, and I'm sure it comes with all other ones as well. So that's how you use a rice cooker.